So you got in your truck, you started it up, and your check engine light's on. What?
If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If we're meeting for the first time, my name's Daniel, and on this channel, I show you how to fix your own vehicle so you don't overpay. So consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. This DTC is known to occur in the Ram 1500 when the crankshaft and the camshaft are out by a certain degree, or it's a sensor issue. It's so important to diagnose and repair this DTC because the crank and cam sensor work in tandem to produce the ideal air-fuel ratio for your engine. When this timing is off, the engine will typically barely run or not run at all. In my case, I had a bad sensor, but make sure you check your wiring for issues first. Now get your 10mm socket and zip that bolt out of there. Lube your new O-ring and push it in until you feel it snap. Then tighten up the 10mm bolt and you're done. Oh, and don't forget to plug the sensor back in either. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that like button. The like button.